Welcome back to the Ghana Travel Channel. A few weeks ago, we go to Next Shopping Mall Singapore and found this newly opened Pablo Cheese Tart. Pablo mini box of 6 and receive a free drink. Looks like a good promotion. I will try this Pablo Mini Kaya, looks good and it's next exclusive, so only can be found in this mall. This is my order. I will try the original and Kaya. Okay, now just waiting for the tart.
Penny Ino ya? Penny Ino. Kaya.
Ini green tea coklat.
This is Pablo Mini original. This is Pablo Mini Kaya. The side is very crunchy and the cheese is really good. I like it. Let's try Pablo Mini Kaya. Coconut as topping and inside have Kaya and also cheese. The taste is very good, especially if you love Kaya. Overall, Pablo Cheese Tart is very delicious, but I was hoping that the price can be cheaper. What do you think about Pablo Cheese Tart in your country? Pablo already opened in several countries like Indonesia, Japan, and Philippines. Share with us in the comment below. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe to support the channel. Thank you.